This is going to be an unboxing of the GoPro Hero 8 Black camera. There's a look at what comes in the box. Here are all the features of the camera. This has the new Hyper Smooth 2.0. And to open it, it's on the bottom. There's a pull tab. There comes the camera out of the box. And this part removes itself right here. Let's take a look inside this box here. Promo card for GoPro Plus. Instructions, basic setup, use the app. Caution about waterproofing. Help information. And some GoPro stickers. And important product safety information booklet. Now in here we have the USB cable. An extra adhesive mount. And the battery. There's a closer look at the new battery on the GoPro Hero 8. It looks like it's 1,220 milliamp hours. Here's the old battery right here. You can see it's a little bit different, although the capacities are the same. So there's the battery door, and it pops off. And then there's the USB port also. The USB-C port's right there as well, under this waterproof housing. And the battery goes in like such. And then you close the door. And now let's power it on. Now it says we have to move to the GoPro app. Now here we have the app and it found my GoPro, so I'm going to connect it. Camera updates available. You can see here the updates downloading. And so that's going to be it for the GoPro Hero 8 Black unboxing. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please like, subscribe, and comment. It really helps with the channel. And also check me out on social media. I'm at Mr. Artie Penguin on Twitter and at JTSP on Instagram. Thanks for watching, everyone.